Hello and welcome to my channel Being Your Tech. So today we're just going to do a fun session maybe. So today we'll just work on something to make our PC faster in just 2-3 minutes. So yes, I'm telling you the truth that in 2-3 minutes you can do a hell lot of thing, and after that you can get enhanced performance and definitely a faster performance. So without wasting any more time, we just go forward and try the steps, and probably it will work perfectly fine and faster. So what you need to do is that at first you just need to press the Windows key and R key both at the same time. So after that, the run interface will be on your computer screen, and you have to delete these things. And after that, you have to write temp, and after that, hit enter. So it will ask for the admin access, and you have to give that. After giving the admin access, it will load. You can see that my PC is working really slow, so I'll be just working on it. So you can see that a lot of temporary files is over my PC, which was actually lagging it. So we'll be just removing these temporary files, and you don't need to worry about anything because these temporary files are just not so important for you. I mean, it is just important just to face the data, but if you are deleting it, it's perfectly fine. It always slows down your computer. So what you need to do is that just select any one file, and after that press Ctrl plus A, and it will select all the file at once. And after that, hit Shift and Delete button from your keyboard, and it will provide you the option to delete all the file at a time. So you just hit enter and give the permission admin access, and yes, everything has been deleted. So you can check that all the temporary file which was not in a good shape and which is not required by you has been deleted, and some of them are there, and that is fine, they can actually be there. After that, you just need to again go to the run interface, just hit Windows plus R, then type percent temp percent and hit enter. And again you have to just hit Ctrl plus A, and after that Shift delete. So it will delete all the temporary files. Yeah, it will delete all the temporary files from your computer. It is giving error. No, that is fine. I mean, it's not a big deal. Yes, so you can see that all the temporary files has been removed from my computer. There were actually 3 GB of temporary files which I have cleaned now. So probably it will work more faster. So this is not the end. You have to do one more thing also. Just go to the run interface once again by hitting the Windows button and add together and write prefetch and hit enter. So after that they will ask for admin access. Just provide them with admin access, and then what you need to do is that just go and select all and delete all the thing. This is also something which is not required. I mean, this is not so important. If you're not having these files also, it will not bother you. Yes, so we are done with the cleaning purpose. So one another thing which always slows down our computer is that the startup. In the startup, a lot of programs just came away and just slow down your computer. So to clean up your startup, you just need to hit the Windows key. After that, just type Task Manager. Yes. So hit enter. And after that, you will be getting a task bar, I mean, your task manager option. So you can, now the step is that you have to go to the startup from here at the top. Just hit on the startup. And after that, you can see that many application is running on the startup. So when you are starting your computer, so it just load at the same time. So it slows down your computer. So what you need to do is that you just need to click on the enabled option and then disable it. Enable option, then disable it. Yeah, don't disable the antivirus because then definitely it will affect your computer. But whichever program you think that it is not required much, so you can just go on and definitely disable those things. You can actually check it by yourself and you can do it, and after that just give a restart, so that will serve the purpose. If you really want that your computer is really working slow, then you can do one more thing also, that is go to the run interface and after that type msconfig and hit enter. And after that navigate yourself to the services. And you can see a lot of program is running over here. So at first what you need to do is that hide all Microsoft services because they are very essential, you can't disable them. And after that you can disable everything. You can go apply, and after that you can OK. And at last you have to restart, and I can assure you that after restarting your computer it will work perfectly fine. It will work perfectly great. So that's all for today. So if you do these steps in 2 to 3 minutes it will take, and your computer will work faster. I can assure you about that. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe to my channel, and please wait for the next video because many more video to become yet. Thank you so much.